Friends, welcome to St. Thomas School. Lesson number 7, I Love Gujarat, class 5th. Friends, till 6th lesson we have completed our task very well. 6 lessons PDF I have sent it. Please write it down in the notebook and learn the question answers properly. You can see the picture of a flamingo. It is a migratory bird. Migratory means the birds which is traveling from the foreign country to here in order to pass the winter season. So flamingo is a one kind of migratory bird. Flamingo is a state of bird of Gujarat which is comes from the foreign countries. Other bird also coming along with the flamingo. It seems Gujarat has the time to see the entire Gujarat. Next is a chinkara. You can see the chinkara's picture. It is usually habitat in the desert of Kutch. In desert of Kutch, chinkara we can see clearly. Flamingo is having migrations every year. So chinkara is also very popular. More than half of the total production of salt of our country is produced by small desert of Kutch. In addition to that, Kandla Harbour, located in the Bay of Kutch, it is the second largest harbour of our country, and international trade is promoted from Kandla port. Again, Flamingo and Chinkara have a conversation, and they are asking. Then, now let us see the introduction about Kutch. Grass growing in the Bani region of Kutch is the tallest grass in the Asia. That is one good information given about it. Think and says portion. Which other birds come to your village from other places that we can locate it? From where the birds are coming to our villages? How do they pass their habitat? Why these birds from the foreign countries migrate to our state, that we have to note down in order to pass their winter season. It is the main reason. Now, let us see have some talk about the Pirotan Islands of the Jamnagar district located in the Kutch. Dolphin, also we can see the picture of dolphin. It is in the cold region, but during the winter, if we come to the Gujarat, Abdasa of Kutch means large town of flamingo. This time we thought to visiting Gujarat, hence we came here. Dolphin is asking to flamingo that see the coral reefs. Coral reefs means the stone carvations in the water. In this water stone carvation, starfish, jellyfish, dolphin fish, etc., sea cucumber, tortoise, octopus, etc. are surviving in the water in the Pirotan Islands. Next, we have to say think and say. Which aquatic animals around you see throughout the year? Which animals are seen during the monsoon? Where do frogs go after the monsoon? What will you do to protect the animals living in the water? Dolphin is the national aquatic animal of our country. Friends, next session we will continue more